Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis chairs state-level Kharif review meeting, sets target to increase the productivity of crops. And model Preeti Jain sentenced to 3-year imprisonment for conspiracy to kill film director Madhur Bhandarkar. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. And now let's see the news in detail. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis chairs state-level Kharif review meeting today with the state ministers and senior officials in Mumbai. On the occasion, CM said government's target for this year is to increase the productivity of crops, and each district must take this mission and plan crop-wise. Chief Minister further said that there is a need to focus more on group farming, cluster-based approach, and also on creating water structures in the next 2 months. Chief Minister congratulates all the concerned department for proper planning last year, because of which government achieved double-digit growth rate in agriculture. Chief Minister informed that government have constituted a committee under Additional Chief Secretary Finance to bring back remaining farmers into the institutional credit system. Fadnavis directs all ministers to organize loan mela in each district to achieve targets and ask collectors for its minute planning. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis today said that Maharashtra is a favorite investment destination in the country and stressed upon the infrastructure facilities developed by Maharashtra for better business prospect. Chief Minister was addressing the India-Italy Investment Forum in Mumbai. The forum was organized to explore the business opportunities between two countries. Italian Deputy Minister for Economic Development, Ivan Scalfrotto, was also present on the occasion. Fadnavis said that due to skilled manpower, business-friendly atmosphere, industries from many countries are now investing in Maharashtra. Union Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar would have said that the government is working to create beneficial additional seats to increase the number of women representatives in the IITs. The scheme will help to raise the percentage from 8% to 20%. Javadekar further informed that for higher education, research and infra, the government will mobilize 2,000 crore rupees from the budget and 20,000 crore rupees from outside agencies for all IITs and other institutes. He also added that in the field of research and infrastructure, a 3-year action plan, a 7-year strategy plan and 15-year long-term plan is set for the development of all IITs. Javadekar further informed that government will provide Pradhan Mantri Scholarship Policy for innovative intelligent students to do research in India. He was speaking to the media after the conclusion of IIT Council meet in Mumbai. And the City and Civil and Session Court convicted model Preeti Jain to 3 years in jail for plotting to eliminate filmmaker Madhur Bhandarkar, against whom she had earlier registered a rape case. The court sentenced 3 years jail to 2 of her associates, Naresh Pardesi and Shivram Das, on charges of conspiracy, aiding and abetting crime. 2 other aides from Uttar Pradesh were acquitted for lack of evidence. Soon after the court's decision, Preeti sought suspension of the sentence. And Malegaon blast accused Colonel Purohit today moved the Supreme Court against the Bombay High Court order rejecting his bail plea in the case. A bench headed by Chief Justice J.S. Keher said that the petition will come up in regular course while rejecting the Colonel plea for an urgent hearing. The Bombay High Court on 25th April granted bail to Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, accused of plotting the September 2008 Malegaon blast, but rejected the bail plea of Colonel Purohit, saying the charges against him were of grave nature. On the auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, customers flocked into the jewellery showrooms to buy yellow metals. Akshaya Tritiya is considered to be an auspicious Muhurat to purchase gold. It is a very popular festival that Hindus and Jains celebrate every year. It is considered as one of the most important days, as it is the day of the birth of Lord Parshurama. The Hindi community considered this day as a lucky day and believes that any venture on Akshaya Tritiya follows betterment and prosperity.
और आज के दिन गोल्ड या सिल्वर जो परचेस किया जाता है वो लक्ष्मी माँ का आशीर्वाद माना जाता है। आज के दिन जो किया हुआ पुण्य है वो अक्षय मतलब कभी टूटता नहीं है, खंडित नहीं होता है, जो जिसका क्षय नहीं होता है वो दिन माना जाता है। तो आज के दिन गरीब लोग को भी दान दिया दो तो भी अच्छा है। आज के दिन कुछ घर में सोना चांदी खरीदो तो वो भी हमारे जैन हिंदू शास्त्र के हिसाब से शुभ माना गया है।
अब आज के दिन हम कुछ गोल्ड खरीदे, कुछ अच्छी चीजें खरीदे तो ये हमारे लिए मतलब आगे के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है कि आज के दिन हमने ये चीज ली तो बहुत शुभ माना जाता है हमारे घर के लिए, हमारे लोगों के लिए।
आज का दिन बहुत शुभ रहता है क्योंकि लक्ष्मी पूजा होती है आज के दिन, और सोना खरीदना आज के दिन शुभ माना जाता है। परंपरा है, हिंदुस्तान में सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार माना जाता है। और ये दिन ऐसा है, कहते हैं कि जो भी सोना खरीदेगा उसके घर पर लक्ष्मी आएगी, और हिंदुस्तान में ये कई सालों से परंपरा चलती आ रही है।
An under-19 football tournament jointly organized by the Central Armed Police Force under the aegis of the All India Police Sports Control Board is to be held from 2nd May to 9th May. The tournament will be called as Urja CAPF's Youth Under-19 Football Talent Hunt Tournament 2017. This is an initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi featuring CRPF, BSF, CISF, SSB, ITBP and Assam Rifle is being held at the behest of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. The tournament is being held ahead of the FIFA Under-17 World Cup scheduled to be held in India from October 6. CISF is conducting the tournament in states of Maharashtra, Goa, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and the Union Territories. In Mumbai, the tournament is scheduled to start from 2nd May at the Cooperage Football Ground, which will also host the final of both boys and girls categories on 9th May. And that's all we had in this edition of the Metro Scan from Mumbai, but we'll be back on Monday evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye.